it's Hanno from Apglos. We got new questions from the users of Apglos Survey Wizard, and today we will answer one of them. The question we will answer is how to connect the GNSS receiver Marxact UNI GR1 with Apglos Survey Wizard. We tell that you can connect any Bluetooth GNSS receiver with Apglos Survey Wizard as long as it sends NMEA strings. And since the Marxact UNI GR1 does send NMEA message via Bluetooth, you can connect it to Apglos Survey Wizard. And today we will show you how. I divided this video in 4 parts to explain you how to use the Marxact UNI GR1 GNSS receiver with Apglos Survey Wizard. Part number 1 is about the Marxact UNI GR1 itself. It works a bit different than other GNSS receivers. Part 2 is about setting up the Marxact UNI GR1, this one. Part 3 is about how to set up Apglos Survey Wizard to be able to work with the Marxact UNI GR1. And finally, in part 4, I will show you how the connection between Apglos Survey Wizard and the Marxact UNI GR1 works. So watch this complete video and you will know exactly how to connect the Marxact UNI GR1 with Apglos Survey Wizard and if it works. But first this. If you like the topic of this video and if you want to stay up to date, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the red button here below. We will keep adding videos on our software, GPS, land surveying, GNSS receivers and more. After subscribing, you will be notified when we add a new video, so you can watch it and stay up to date. So let's start with part 1, the UNI GR1 GNSS receiver of Marxact. It's a bit different than other GNSS receivers, and that's because in these GNSS receivers there has to be a SIM card. If we can turn it around, you can see here there is a compartment and it can be opened, and there is a SIM card. You need to have the SIM card because this GNSS receiver has to make a connection with the N-trip caster, so it can get the corrections to get a centimeter accurate position. So then further to the second part, let's configure the Marxact UNI GR1. Let's first turn it on. You see the light blinking and more lights will appear. And then I have to put it away. I will go get the tablet. So we have the tablet and we have a special thing because we got a new app. We developed a new app and it's the Apglos Config Wizard. And with this app we can configure many GNSS receivers and also the Marxact UNI GR1. So let's start. We open the app, we get in the start screen and we only have to push OK. There it says to turn off the cellular data, so we will do that. And then we go back, we click OK again. Then it finds all the Wi-Fi networks. Here of course we need to connect to the Marxact UNI GR1. So we click on there. Then we will select the Marxact brand. Marxact only still has one GNSS receiver, which is the UNI GR1. So that's already selected, and then we click OK. For the Wi-Fi network of this Marxact UNI GR1, we need a password, but the password is already hinted by the Apglos Config Wizard. So we type in the password Marxact -UNI and we click OK. So then when the password is correct, a new screen will appear with the complete interface of this GNSS receiver. In this screen we go to Profile. There we make sure that the GNSS receiver, the Marxact UNI GR1, is set up as a rover. So in this case it's already put as a rover, it's selected. Then we scroll down, we make sure that the real-time kinematic is selected. Also in this one it's already selected. Then we of course put the right entry settings. Also in this GNSS receiver it's already put correct. Of course, to make sure that the GNSS receiver sends the NMEA GGA strings to the N-trip caster, otherwise you don't get corrections. And then we need to make sure that the Marxact UNI GR1 sends the position data, of course, via Bluetooth in NMEA format. So when we're done with the settings, we just click OK. It remembers that you turned off your cellular data, so we turn it on again. Then we go back, we click OK, and then we click OK. So that's all to put the settings in the Marxact UNI GR1 to work with Apglos Survey Wizard. If you want to use the Apglos Config Wizard as well, it's free and it's downloadable in the Google Play Store. I put the download link in this description of this video, so check it out and start using it. So then there's part 3 of this video, that's to set up Apglos Survey Wizard to connect with the Marxact UNI GR1. So let's first go to connect. The UNI GR1 is still not there, so we need to add a Bluetooth device. We click allow, we have to wait a bit. And there is the UNI GR1. So we click on it, it says pairing, the pairing succeeded. So now we can select it. The entry, the SIM card is in the Marxact UNI GR1. So the N-trip data also comes from the antenna. So we select this antenna and then we can click on connect. And then a connection is made with a Bluetooth device, and you see straight away that there's float RTK with 14 satellites. So we moved outside to test if we can survey a point with the Marxact UNI GR1 and Apglos Survey Wizard. Here we have the tablet with Apglos Survey Wizard. We made a connection with the Marxact UNI GR1, and let's push the button of surveying a point. Did you hear a sound? We could survey a point. And that's all about how to connect the Marxact UNI GR1 with Apglos Survey Wizard to make a complete working land survey kit. Please subscribe by pushing the red button below, so you will be notified when we launch a new video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.